Hi guys, it's Foxy, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be sharing with you my favorite fall lip combos. Since you know it's almost the end of October and pumpkin spice latte mood is right in the air right now, let's get down to business already, and I'm gonna start with the lightest combo and gradually move to the darkest. First combo is the lightest and the most perfect lip combo ever for any occasion, for any mood. I'm using the MAC lip liner in Stone. This is one of my favorite lip liners ever, not just for fall. It's a perfect cool tone shade and it's literally just a must-have. I prefer to contour my lips when I apply lip liner, like just a little bit, and then I blend it a little bit with a finger, but not everything. I blend only the inner part of my lips, like so. I just think it looks more natural this way. The lipstick I'm gonna use is MAC also. It's in the shade Act Natural and I love this one with all my heart. I'm not sure if it discontinued, but if it's not and you're the person who loves cool tone brown nude colors, don't walk, run to the MAC store and get yourself this one. This baby is amazing, it looks gorgeous on the lips. I mean, look at this color. This looks so pretty. Let's finish it with a Mina 501 lipstick. And let me tell you, this is one of the lightest lipsticks on the market. Yes, this is lighter than MAC Flash Pot, the OG one and the new one. This is lighter than both of them. The one and only lighter lipstick that I can honestly remember personally, it's Extra Cream from Made by Mitchell. Of course, you can use cosmetic paint for this purpose and it will work amazing as well. Or mix your regular nude lipstick with a white adjuster, which also works. But we all know that it's always more comfortable when you can just grab one product and do it all, and it's done. Now I'm gonna put it right in the center of my lips, right here, and blend it a little bit. Sometimes when I want this lip combo to look more glossy, I add some lip gloss on top or topper, but right now, I don't know, this is just not the vibe. I think this looks perfect. It kind of gives those 90s vibes, you know. Next combination is pretty lightweight. For this look, I'm gonna be using Kylie Jenner 808 Kylie lip liner. Like in the previous combo, I like to contour my lips with a liner. I think correct contour is a key to good looking lips. And I'm using Cha-Cha tint from Benetint on top. Their tints are always super lightweight, and this one has pretty orange tone to it, which reminds me of fall and pumpkin spice, and that's what we need here, right? And I'm going in with this high lip volume plumper lip cream. It's not a lip gloss or lipstick. You just squeeze it like a normal cream and put it on top. It hydrates pretty well and also it works as a plumper. So let's get some juicy pumpkin spice lips. I don't know, I'm thinking about getting some lip fillers, but not to change my lip shape. I want to kind of, you know, to smooth out all of those lines in my lips. I've never actually had lip fillers and I'm pretty nervous about it, but I don't know, I can't decide, and if I will let you know. I'm probably gonna show you how I do that. What do you think? I really like this combo. It's such a perfect pumpkin spice latte. Next lip combo is my go-to when I want to look kind of girly cute and at the same time playful and sexy. I'm gonna be using MAC in Plum lip pencil. This one is more of a reddish tone. A few days ago, I asked my husband if he liked the lip combo that I wore this day, and he goes, "Oh yeah, it's a perfect plum color." And then I remembered that this lip pencil color, literally called plum. I'm gonna apply it using the same contouring technique. My lips feel a bit spicy since the last lip combo after this plumper, but it's fine, I don't mind. When I use the plumper, I don't see that much of those lines inside of my lips. They're getting more juicy, so I don't mind. I'm gonna put the Floretine by Benefit. It might look crazy at first, but just trust the process. When I use this tint, I feel like I literally look like I just kissed. Now I'm gonna add this iconic MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick, but only on the outer corners. And the finishing touch is gonna be MAC Peach Blossom Creme Sheen lipstick in the center. It softens everything. It looks really sheer and girly, sexy at the same time. It feels so hydrating on my lips. It feels more like a lip balm than lipstick, honestly. And what do you think? Let me know in the comments. You understand why I was moving from the lightest combo to the darkest, because look, my lips are pretty red right now. All of the products that we used before, they just stained my lips. Their pigment is pretty strong, especially those Benefit tints. I mean, they are something else. Next combo is not for shy girlies, it's gonna be extremely sparkling. It's for those days when you want to be in the center of attention and literally just shine bright like a diamond, you know. This is the combo for the main character, obviously. And for this look, I'm gonna be using my Kylie 808 lip liner again. I love this one for its creamy formula. It glides like butter and so easy to use. Now I'm gonna put Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Wifey shade on top. And I'm gonna leave the little naked spot in the center. And on top of this all, I'm gonna use Focolor Lazy Waltz Lip Gloss. This is literally a glitter gloss. It sparkles so much. And it's buildable, so if you just applied it on your lips and you think, no, it's maybe not enough, baby, you can build it up like as much as you want. It's truly beautiful. Just look at this shine. Honestly, if you ask me which combo I like more, which one I prefer more, I would just sitting here stuck. I don't know. They're all so beautiful and they're just for different moods, you know. I'm just a girl, I cannot choose. Last combo, as I said, is gonna be the darkest one. This lip combo is a definition of dark feminine, divine feminine look. This is incredibly sexy and magically attractive. And to achieve this look, I'm gonna take this Colourpop Lippy Pencil in a shade Peach. You know, sometimes I even wear makeup to kind of relax my mind. Because to me it's similar to meditation. And basically any routine does this trick to me. Sometimes I even listen to meditation music and nature sounds while weightlifting in gym. And it basically helps me to feel better. It's a bit reddish. And this one is super easy to apply, it's so soft and creamy. For the next step, I'm gonna need to add this Kiko Milano Smart Fusion lipstick in a shade 436. This is also a cool tone brown, and this formula is not matte. It's something between cream and balm formula. And the last step is lip gloss. I'm gonna be using Lifter Gloss in a shade 18 Bronze. Feels really hydrating on the lips and smells like coconuts, which is amazing in my opinion because I love coconuts. It's pretty pigmented and it's also shimmery, but it doesn't look like there are super big sparkles in it. It's like micro shimmer, like a highlighter inside of the lip gloss tube. And the look, I love it. It's the true autumn combo. And actually, you know, sometimes we all have those days when we don't feel pretty, even though we look the same. But you know, hormones and stress are no joke. So it's really important to understand that it's just a temporary feeling. What I personally like to do when I cannot stand this woman in the reflection of my mirror, I turn on my camera and make myself, push myself into recording something. Even if I don't post it anywhere, I just want to push myself, record something, just to watch it right after or in some time, just to see that it wasn't that bad. I really looked the same. It was just my inner feeling. I just opened this footage on the computer or on my phone or an iPad, doesn't matter. I just see it's all in my head. There's nothing that changed in me, in my appearance, nothing. It's just in my eyes. And you know, it really helps me to feel a bit better. If you experience something like this, you can try this method too. Maybe it will help you too. I know sometimes it can be really hard. You don't look ugly. You don't look some different. It's just your hormones. It's your stress. It's your inner feeling, and it's normal. We all feel like this sometimes, but it's just a feeling and it will go away, I promise. And of course, don't forget to do something that can help you to improve your mood, your inner feeling. Treat yourself with kindness. Remind yourself that it's all just your emotions, it's all just your hormones, it's all just stress. Just do what you love and do what can make you feel better. If you know that it's what you like, just do it. Help yourself. Even small things can help to deal with this self-destroying condition. So yeah, that's it for today. I will be really happy if this video will help you to choose your next lip product, or even maybe, who knows, new favorites too. Have a wonderful day and take care of yourself. See you later. With love, your Foxy. Bye.